Hey, so welcome back in another channel. Sorry, another video. Today we will discuss about the multiplication of two vectors, right? First, inverse multiplication. There are two types of multiplication, right? This is a vector multiplied by vector, and second one is the scalar multiplication, right? So for we will understand the one by one and see how things are happening. First is the inverse multiplication. Okay, element of multiplication. In a element of multiplication, corresponding element of two vector are multiplied to form a new vector of the same dimension. Right? A new element of wise multiplication corresponding element of two vector um, multiply two form of vectors in a new vector with the same dimension, right? We multiply two vectors, but they multiply after the multiplication, we get a result in a same dimension. So let's get start with the example, right? For a element of multiplication, right? For a example, element wise element of multiplication. So we have vector A, 1, 2, 3, and we have vector P, that is 3, 4, 5. That's we have two vectors, right? And we do the multiplication of the two vectors. So how things are happening? We use a cross for a vector multiplication, right? We're using a cross. So in that case, we go 1, 2, 3, cross 3, 4, 5. So we get a multiplication of this product is nothing but 1 multiplied by 3 is 3, 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, and 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. That's we get in a same dimension, right? Same dimension multiplication. Same dimension multiplication. When you talk about the application in data science for a feature engineering, okay. Talk about the application for a it is useful in feature engineering. Feature useful in feature engineering, right? So we get example. Let's consider we have selling some product, right? And we want to get a discount on that particular project on that particular product. So that's the how much discount we get and what is the after the discount price, what is the after the what is the price will be reduced after the discount. So we will see in this particular video, right? So let's consider we have a product. Let's consider we have a cost of that particular product, and after that discount, discount, and discount cost, and similarly final cost, final cost. So first we consider let's start with product. We have product A, B, and C, right? And that's the cost of that particular product is 1,000. Product B is cost is 500, and product C that we have cost is 200, right? And we are a discount of 10% on that particular product. In product B, we give discount for 20%. Product C, we give a 30% of discount. So after the discount, what do you think? Okay. So in that case, we what we'll do, we get a gross product of that both for finding the discount if we have, which they are, how many discount we produce in that particular product. So in that case, we get 100 rupees of discount in that particular project, and product B we get a similarly 100 rupees, and product C we get a 60 rupees of a discount. So what is the final cost? Is a 900 after the discount, and this is the 400, and this is the 140. This is the use case in a feature engineering, right? I hope you understand with the that example. Okay, after that we are going with a scalar multiplication. It is a involve it is a involve of a multiplying vector by a scalar rescaling, right? In a vector where each component is scaled by a vector, right? Okay, so how we understand the example? Taking is a scalar scalar multiplication, right? So let's start. We have vector A. We have vector A, which is let's 3, 5, 7, and we have scalar value B is nothing but 2. Okay, 2. So how to scale that product? So it is nothing but 2 multiplied by 3, 5, 7, and we get a new vector that is a 6. We are multiplying of the both 10 and 14. There's a example of a scalar multiplication, right? And this is useful in when we do the machine learning projects. So that is useful. Okay, that is a useful for normalization and standardization. We will learn all of these things, but normalization, standardization, and where there's a useful for that particular segment, right? So okay, this is scalar multiplication, and okay, then this is for today's video. We will learn about element of multiplication, scalar multiplication, and we will meet in a next video.